back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair. It looks a bit crazy right now, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style it every day. So let's get into that. Okay, so first I'm just gonna brush it. Next, I'm just gonna add some coconut oil to my hair. Okay, so first I'm gonna take these strands and like clip the rest of my hair back. Okay, next I'm gonna take my straightener. My straightener is so dirty, don't mind. I'm just gonna okay, this side is kind of done, but now I'm gonna move on to this side. Okay, next I'm gonna straighten this piece. I'm not gonna lie, I took a little break because I didn't want the fire alarm to go off. But yeah. Next I'm gonna do this side. Next I'm gonna take my strands and just, you know, hey guys, today is not my best look, but here's the hair. Let me get up. You know, pretty simple. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.